Hello and welcome to this video where I will take you through how our AI caption generator works. And there are two ways you can get captions on your video. You either run it through your editor as a video project where when you get it back in review, you can access it and then it looks like this. And you can finalize the subtitles, the styling of them and the wording and so on. Or you can simply just access the subtitles our AI caption generator on the left side here. You can upload a reel, a story, a one take, where the only thing you need is on-brand captions. When you have your video in front of you, you can
stop treating them like an afterthought. One click.
Now we can change very easily the segmentation of the words. You can just use enter, delete to sort of like merge the sentences. If you want it in two lines, if you want to split the lines, you can just do that very easily, just like you do when you write an email and so on. So that is very easy, very simple. And the timing of the video is synchronized automatically. So you can do your changes here. Once that has been done, you can style the captions as you want. You can go and explore the different predefined templates that we have, kind of like the most popular ones. And then when you have this one, you can now go and edit the subtitle. You can change the font, the size of the subtitles. You can also change the position of the subtitles if you want them higher on the video or lower. Now you can also choose where sort of like the video should be, the caption should be positioned, the color of it, whether there should be a text outline on the video or on the captions here, the text shadow. If you want a background here, you can see the different backgrounds you can choose. Also the color of it. The animation is also something you can easily change. If it's now
It works on every video.
Change it here, but
quick reel,
last minute story that is highlighting the word,
or ad copy,
spotlight, and so on. It's completely up to you, and you can basically get the pixel perfect captions that are completely in line with the brand and sort of like your visual identity. Now, when you have done this, you have now made the captions, both the styling and the transcription, so the words are correct and you have the different sentences that you would like. Now you can then go and you can save as a template, meaning that now this template can be utilized in all the different videos you would like. You can have different templates here based on the different type of video you are doing or the different brand you are using. And also please pay attention to this little toggle up here. It's default applying these changes to all your formats. So if you have done a video project via your editor where you have ordered all the 4 different formats now, then all the changes you do, they will automatically be applied to all formats. You can also untoggle this one if you want, and then you can make different stylings, different settings on each format. So it works very easily. We have a lot of users that are very happy with it. We are fine-tuning it every day, so please don't hesitate with sending us any feedback. So that was it, and that was how our AI caption generator works. Have a good day out there. Bye.